Ready to take your FIFA Mobile skills to the next level by ditching the tiny screen for a massive display and precision controls? That's right, by playing FIFA Mobile on your PC, you're unlocking a whole new world of gaming. We're talking about a much larger screen for a clear view of the pitch, and the ability to use your keyboard and mouse for ultimate control, giving you that competitive edge. The most common and reliable way to achieve this is by using an Android emulator. Think of it as a virtual Android device running right on your computer. The first step is to download a reputable emulator like BlueStacks, NoxPlayer, or WorldPlayer. Simply visit their official websites. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's usually a straightforward process of agreeing to terms and choosing an installation location. The emulator will then guide you through its initial setup, which often involves signing into your Google account, just like you would on a new phone. With your emulator set up and logged in, you'll find yourself in a familiar Android environment. Look for the Google Play Store app. This is where you'll download FIFA Mobile, just as you would on your actual phone. Open the Play Store, search for FIFA Mobile, and hit that install button. Once the game is downloaded and installed within the emulator, you can launch it with a simple click. Now for the best part, customizing your controls. Most emulators allow you to map in-game actions to your keyboard keys and mouse clicks. This means you can set up convenient shortcuts for dribbling, passing, shooting, and even special skills, giving you incredibly precise control over your players. Imagine seamlessly pulling off intricate dribbles and perfectly timed passes with dedicated buttons. This level of control can seriously boost your performance in those crucial matches. So, there you have it, your detailed guide to playing FIFA Mobile on your computer, enhancing your gameplay with bigger screens and superior controls. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips.